No, Harriet isn't spoilt at all, is she? Look, she's got a little feeding shelf there, so she doesn't have to bend. So she's got her food, as you can see, walloping away at it. And she's got kitty milk. And I know a lot of people don't agree with cats having its milk for kittens, lactose free. A lot of people don't agree with them having it, but I've been concerned that she isn't drinking water, although I caught her sneakily today having some, and I change a bowl of water 3 times a day. So anyway, so she's got some kitty milk. I'm only going to give her once a day, a little bowlful like that with her dinner. And then the rest of the time it's going to be water. It's just to ensure me really that she's gotten everything that she needs. But isn't that nice, that little cat shelf? Do you like it, Harriet? Do you like your new cat shelf? Your new table? Hang on. So, this is it. I should have had my camera around the other way. But anyway, it's the elevated cat food bowl. And there's 2 little kitties sharing there. But Harriet's got it all to herself. Haven't you? We've got a new bed coming at the weekend as well. With a mattress protector, in case she gets her treats on it, and you know. So that's it. It's I guess you can have them slanting as well. I don't know. I didn't really look. You can have them. She's got it on the highest one there. Do you think it should be lower? Or do you think that's about right? Probably about right, isn't it? She was going bananas after a bumblebee earlier. At least I think it was a bee. I don't know what it was. It was buzzing around anyway. So I had to in the window at the top. So I closed the net curtains. And Harriet wasn't happy about that. But Harriet would be even less happy if she had a big sting on her bottom. Harriet, is that nice? Would you like a knife and fork? Or a spoon? She eats very well. As I say, it was just the drinking I was concerned about. And I probably don't need to be because, you know, the water's replenished 3 times a day at least. And she's got a bowl of fresh water there as well. And Mummy is doing nothing else for you tonight except washing your dishes. Because I guess you're not going to do it yourself, are you? She's so entertaining. I had visions, you know, of her. I've got the window open at the top. You can, I don't know whether you can see it, just slightly at the top there. And she climbs those curtains. I had visions of her getting up there and hanging on to the top of the window by a little pause. So when I went out to the dentist, it had to be closed. The fan had to be moved. Mummy's things of note had to be moved. You're causing chaos. But she's worth it. So that feeding bowl, anyway, for anybody who's interested, I think it was £24, something like that, off Amazon. Is that a real cat, that white one? Surely not. Is it? Oh, yeah. Look, I thought that was part of its head. It's not. It's his bottom sticking up in the air. And he's got a ginger tail. Lovely cats. You're not pausing for breath, are you? Pausing. Get it? Pausing. That was unintentional. That was a joke and it was unintentional. You're not pausing for breath. So what she normally does is after dinner, she'll have a little lie down for about 20 minutes and then she starts her mad hour again, or two. Don't you? Running everywhere. Although she hasn't really done much today running around. Been way too hot for her. Hasn't it? Aren't you going to finish it? You're looking at those two cats. You haven't even tried your milk. Harriet. Go and try your milk. You can't really see it on here, you know, but she really does have such a tiny, tiny face. I held the water bowl up. Go and try your milk. Go on, I want to see if you like it. There you go. First time. Oh, she does. That's good. You're only going to have one bowl a day, though. She's getting big, isn't she? I don't know what it is with her doing this. She's taken to dipping her paw in the water bowl and giving it a shake. Then her other paw, it's like a little ritual. And how she's got food on my slippers, I will never know. And on the bed cushion. You're shaking your paws again. You look a scruff. You're gonna let me wipe you over with a wipe and comb your fur, Are you? Where you going? Harriet? Where you going? She'll come and sharpen her claws on that. She likes to sharpen her claws on that. And that pole there, which she's liked right from the outset, my son got that for her. She likes to sit on top of it. And when it's a little bit closer to the dressing table, she will jump from the top of the pole to the dressing table. She's like an acrobat, aren't you? A trapeze artist, aren't you? Where you gone? Oh, she's gone in a tunnel. Okay, that's it for tonight then. I'll catch you all. I've got my challenge back properly tomorrow. Mind you, it will be tomorrow when you see this. So, it's confusing, isn't it? But I'll be back and maybe doing a live if I can. I can't do a live at the moment because my mouth is too sore with these. I've got abscesses. So, it's a bit difficult to speak at the moment. I'm managing now, just about. Speak to you all later.